Fat tire folding e-bikes used to be an expensive category for people who want power, portability, and comfort in one bike. Most of them cost at least $1,000, and they were out of budget for most average consumers. Fortunately, there are many affordable choices this year. The AOSTIRMOTOR A20 is priced at around $799 and is among the cheapest one on the market. The AOSTIRMOTOR A20 is a budget fat tire folder, so I don't expect much from it during the test. It comes in a great condition and nothing was damaged out of the box. There are just a few minor scratches on the battery handle, but it is alright. The A20 comes nearly assembled, as I just needed to put the front wheel and some other small parts to start using it. This e-bike features a central folding mechanism, and the handle post also folds down to make a compact size. I love folding e-bikes because it doesn't take much space for storage and I can transport it easily in my car trunk. It is also equipped with a metal stand, so it can stand on its own after folding. The handle in the middle of the frame is very convenient, as it helps me lift the bike easier. However, I don't really like the outdated folding latch in the mid-frame, as it looks ugly in unfolded position. Although the A20 doesn't have suspension fork, it still can absorb shocks pretty well with 20-inch fat tires. I tested it on paved, dirt and gravel roads and was very impressed with its comfort. The 500-watt motor might sound underwhelming for some riders, but it is more than enough for me because I mostly ride bikes on even roads. Moreover, the A20 has no problem when climbing some bridges and low inclines, even when I don't pedal and use the twist throttle only. The bike features a 7-speed Shimano drivetrain, but I rarely touch it. I often set it at speed 4 or 5, and then the pedal assistant provides enough power to deal with all terrains. Obviously, the A20 doesn't look like a high-end e-bike, but it is good enough for most average riders. It uses good quality components like textural mechanical disc brakes, which provide strong stopping power. The battery is mounted right behind the seat post, and it can be easily removed for recharging. Of course, you can plug the adapter directly to the battery without removing it. The battery range is really great, as it could reach over 30 miles on a single charge. Notice that I use it in pedal assistant mode most of the time. My only concern is that the battery is prone to water damages, therefore you shouldn't ride the bike when it's raining. To conclude, here are all pros and cons of the e-bike. Pros: low price, impressive battery range, good performing motor. Cons: outdated design. The AOSTIRMOTOR A20 is suitable for anyone who wants a cheap and fun fat tire bike without breaking the wallet. It doesn't have the most powerful motor or modern design, but it performs well as expected. We at BikeFolded think this is a great value and totally recommend it.